All right, these are the elevators here at the LaGuardia Airport in New York City. That, I believe, is the service elevator. Oh,
no, wait, that's coming down.
okay.
Going down.
1. Oh, that's locked. 4. Coming up.
Going up.
What floor?
I think it's the one above this one, so
3.
yeah.
Okay.
Third floor.
Okay.
It opens here. Going up.
Okay.
Fourth floor.
4th floor. Oh, it opens up on this side.
Going down.
All right, let's go down to 2. Let's get a cap view. Pretty big elevator. There's Big Brother. Really big. These are the fixtures, and that's the floor indicator. Phone is built right into the system, and there's the keypad
Second floor.
to access the first floor. All right, let's go to 4. Oh wait, no, 3. Wait, no. Oh well, we're gonna stop at 3. I kind of read the elevator directory wrong.
Third floor.
Well, now we're just gonna be making a random stop at 3.
Going up.
So I have some baggage to claim up on the 4th floor.
Fourth floor.
Okay. There it goes. And that is it.